Hi guys, in last session we seen the correction framework theoretical part. Let's move to the programming. I will explain you the one example, simple example for array list and also linked list in this video. Let's start the proof. So I have taken one class array list example and here we taken a main class. So we have to define one, have to take one list, array list, no? So mainly array list is coming from list. We will take a integer wrapper class here. List integer. Okay. Take one reference. AL means array list. How to implement? We have to import the from the util package is list. Okay. So one empty integer list is created. So we have like in array list we have some inbuilt methods like add for adding the values based on the index also, like we can directly add without index also. And for fetching we can use get method, and for removing the elements we can use remove, and to check the size of the list we can use size. Like that we have some methods. So let's try these methods. So we'll first add the elements in the list, array list. Take a reference variable. See how many add methods we have. First one is a integer argument 0, means we will directly add the element here. So numbers here dot add. So let's copy this to it. Okay, total 4 elements are added. And take it as 6. Okay, let's see what all the elements are in array list. So yeah, it is giving array list 1, 2, 4, 6. So our array list is ready now. So I will try to access them using index value. al dot get index value of, so 0, 1, 2. I will take 2. So in order to see that it is fetching or not, we have to put in a this system or dot println. And also we have one more method. We take uh, we try to add and get. So we can also try. This is for fetching. Fetching. Oh, no. This is for adding. We'll do this. Fetching data. Okay. Okay. For updating data, we have one more method called set method. So updating data. Let's call this method al dot set. So we have to pass index value of what value, like what index position we are changing. So I will enter 0, 1, 2, 3. I will enter 4. The element I will pass is 6. So I have to change the 6 with the element. So I'll take it as 7 now. Let's print out again. It is changing or not. Okay. Let's run that once again. We'll see. Yeah, we are getting. Okay. Index out of bound of exception. See, we did one mistake here. I am setting the fourth index. Like we have only three index now. 0, 1, 2, 3. But I am setting it the fourth index. So it is giving a index out of bound exception with. We have to take care of this. Okay, we will pass 3 here. Now let's run again. See, now fourth index, like third index position is changed to from 6 to 7. Like this, we have to check. Okay. I will take another one is for removing the data from the list. Okay. We will take this reference. I will add. Okay. So what position, index position value you want to remove? So I want to remove this first position. Okay. It will now it will remove two like value 2 from the list. Let's print out again. Is removing or not? And also we can remove another one method is there. Okay, remove all is there, no? It will remove all the elements from the list. So let's print out now what is the data in the list it is removing or not. First one is AL dot remove one means it is removing particular index, but here second one is AL dot remove all means it is removing all the elements from the list. Let's run it once again. We'll check. No, like yeah, we are getting empty means it is removing all the elements from the array list. Right, we have to validate our list. Okay. Next, we can try some more methods like system.option, fetch, we tried get, update, remove. Okay. We can try now size also. We'll, we'll comment it to as of now. We'll check size or size method. el dot size. So it will give the like size of the array list. Okay. And one more method is el dot contents. We have to pass the value here. Like it will check it is this value is present in this array list or not. If it is there, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay, give one some value. We have 1247. We have no. So I will take which one? I will take 7. Let's check these two methods. See, 7 is there in the list, so that's why it is printing true. And it is returning 3 as a size. Means total, like I have deleted already one, no? Using remove method. So it is giving 3. Like this, we have to check the, like work on the array list. Okay. The main advantage of the array list is like the searching, what you call. Yeah. We can searching means the searching like searching is faster in compared to the linked list because it, we are giving the index. when we try to search or get directly, it will go to that particular index only. It will not check other values. So it is like for searching operation, the array list will be preferred. Right? Okay. Next, we will see linked list example one. We'll take new class linked list example. So we take I have taken main method and I will implement one array linked list now. So I will take one linked list, list java.ut. So we are passing here the integer type of link. So it is a wrapper class. Yeah, we will give one reference linked list equal to new linked list. So now we will add the values in this linked list, same like we use in the array list. So I will take reference double and add the values 5 ll dot add element 7 ll dot add 9. Okay, these are the add method. Like this add is a method to add the values to the linked list, same like array list only. So now we will try to print this linked list. See what will be. Let's run the things. So we are getting the values from the linked list. Okay, now we will try to manipulate it and try to access it. Like if I want to access this values, want to access index position 2, and also some inbuilt methods like get first, get last is there in the linked list, which is not present I think in the list. So it will get first will get the first value like in zeroth index position value. Okay, and get last is giving the last index value. We have to system. And this one in the system dot order. Okay, let's run the once again program. So it is giving 5 and 11 means we are accessing first element, which is 5, and also 11 means it is giving last from the list. These methods like it is there in the linked list, which is not present in the array list. Okay, and also while adding also we have some inbuilt method for uh, add first, add last also there's add first means I will add now 3. Now what will it will give C? Now it is giving 5 as a first zeroth position value. Now let's run once again what will it will do. See 3, now it is changed to 3 means we are adding this 3 to the zeroth index position because this method the add first will add it to the zeroth position. Okay. Now we'll move to removing. L1 dot remove is used to like it will default by default it will remove first element, and L1 dot remove, this is for like to remove particular index value from the index value. Yeah, based on the index position, it will remove the values. So let's run. We will see. So now it is printing 5, 7, 11. Before this 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 there. But when I mentioned first L1 dot remove, it is removing 3, and also it is now remove based on the index value 2. So means 0, 1, 2, 3 means it is it is removing that because I already using this remove means the list is changes to here for from 5. So if 3 1 is the list will start from here. 5, 7, 9, 11 means 5 is at 0th position now. So it will removing 9. So 5, 7, 11 it is finally print. Okay. Now move to yes, guys, we have one more method in a list linked list, which is iterator method, which will help you to iterate over the linked list. So I have taken this list into the iterator now. I will iterate over this iterate using the while loop. We'll take one while loop. So we have one more method to check there is any elements or not in the iterator. So if it is true only, it will iterate. So I will take reference ir dot as next. Okay. If it is true, it will go into while loop. So I'm assigning these values into this integer number. So there is I will now get the value by having next method that is present in the linked list. Okay. If you want to print the integer elements, you can print here only. Let's run the program C. So we are getting integer elements 5, 7, 11 as a numbers. This is the like help you for iterate over the linked list. And like thank you guys watching for this video. Please like and share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.